had never done yoga before, and I joined a health club, and wasn't really thinking about yoga specifically. I was going to try different classes and see what stuck, and it was really yoga that I ended up being in love with. And Alana was my favorite teacher out of the different teachers that taught there, because she just had a way of being very calming, having a very calm, soothing voice, for one thing. It wasn't rushed. It was always about, being in that space where you could really be present in the moment and be present in your body. And she would give you enough time to really get into the poses and really feel them and embody them.